What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the download failed error you are getting when trying to download files using your Google Chrome browser. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. First, make sure that you're using a reliable network connection. Check your internet connection in the taskbar and confirm whether you have an active internet status or not. You can also use a speed testing site such as speedtest.net. Here, you can preview your average up and download speed to the closest server. If you have a fluctuating download speed, then it's suggested to restart your router or modem in case you haven't done this in a while. If your internet connection is working fine, then the wrong download location might be causing your Google Chrome download issue. Open up your browser and click the three dots at the upper right corner of your screen to open a drop-down menu. Find the option labeled Settings and click to open it. In the left side pane, navigate to the Downloads tab and click to open it. Under Location, click Change and select a different or correct drive location to download files to. You should also make sure that you have enough storage space left for your downloads. Open up your Windows settings. Under System, click Storage. It might take a couple of seconds to load your storage information, and then you can preview on which drive you can download files to, and if you have enough storage space left. In case nothing helped you out, then you will have to make use of your Windows Registry editor to fix the Chrome download error you are getting. Search for regedit in your Start menu search to open the Registry editor window. From here, navigate to HKey Local Machine, Software, Microsoft, Windows, Current Version, Policies, and locate the Attachments folder. Click to open it. In the left side pane, you will see the file named Scan with Antivirus. Right-click this file and select Modify. Now, change the value data from 0 to 1 and click OK. With that done, restart your PC and your Google Chrome download error will be fixed. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.